Hey there, curious minds! Today we're going deep into the shadows of human nature, exposing some of the darkest secrets that lie within us all. Ready? Let's dive in. Humans are complex creatures. We're capable of incredible kindness and unspeakable cruelty. It's this duality that makes us so fascinating. But what drives our darker impulses? Let's start with one of the most chilling aspects, the bystander effect. Imagine this. You're walking down a busy street and you see someone in distress. Would you help? Research shows that the more people are around, the less likely anyone is to intervene. It's called the bystander effect, and it's a sobering reminder of how social dynamics can suppress our better instincts. Next up, let's talk about something even more unsettling, the Milgram experiment. In the 1960s, psychologist Stanley Milgram conducted a series of experiments to understand obedience to authority. Participants were asked to administer electric shocks to a learner whenever they answered questions incorrectly. What they didn't know was that the learner was an actor and no real shocks were being given. The results were shocking. Despite hearing screams of pain, a staggering 65% of participants continued to administer shocks simply because an authority figure told them to. It's a powerful illustration of how ordinary people can commit extraordinary acts of cruelty under the right circumstances. But why do we have these dark tendencies? Evolutionary psychology offers some answers. Our ancestors lived in harsh environments where survival often depended on aggression and selfishness. These traits, though less useful today, are still part of our genetic makeup. It's a sobering thought. The very traits that helped us survive can also lead us down darker paths. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding these aspects of human nature allows us to recognize and combat them. By being aware of the bystander effect, we can make a conscious effort to act. By understanding obedience, we can question authority when it's leading us astray. So what's the takeaway? Human nature is a mixed bag, but by shining a light on our darker aspects, we can strive to be better. Thanks for watching and stay curious.